Social media can improve the practice of interventional cardiologists in three formats. Number one, by sharing cases and experience. Number two, discussing late-breaking trials or science being presented at meetings or in journals. And number three, also collaborate with people online to come up with new research, new ideas, and also to manage patient complex cases. Opportunities on social media to learn and share is number one, by following the meetings, such as EuroPCR, for example, on the hashtag EuroPCR. You can learn everything coming up on trials and science and even what's happening in the abstract labs right now. Number two, also following the journals. Eurointervention or any other major cardiology or interventional cardiology journal, you can see the up-to-date articles and table of contents and also interact with the journal club when it's also published and managed by the journal. There is certain risk that interventional cardiologists should be careful when they are going live on social media. Number one is public. Anything you put there can go to millions of people in a few seconds. So you have to be careful what you put there. So number one, you shouldn't violate the patient privacy. Patient age, date of birth, whether the procedure was done. This is really, it should be protected. Number two, you should be also respectful. You cannot force your opinion about something. There's a platform to collaborate, platform to discuss, but you have to be respectful and seeking beneficence.